Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are doing a walk-around startup and drive video for you on a 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle. Now, this pretty little red car has a mild-built small block in it with a 4-speed manual transmission. Beautiful red paint on the car. Super solid, very clean Southern car. Car came out of Alabama. Very, very nice, clean car. Power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning, dual exhaust, bucket seats, console, 4-speed, brand new set of chrome torque truss. Man, this is just one gorgeous car. Dakota digital. Seats, door panel carpet, headliner, package tray, all been replaced, all new interior in the car. Dakota digital dash. Retro radio. 6x9s in the back. Put the right key in the ignition here, we'll start it up. This car runs and drives amazing. It has brand new upper and lower. There's the radio. Can't get any stations to tune in here, but it has all brand new suspension on this car. It has tubular upper and lower control arms, new ball joints, new tie rod ends, new drag links, new adjusting sleeves, all new front end parts up front. It's got all new trailing arms in the rear, new shocks, all new mounts, top. It's got all brand new 4-bars in the back, all new trailing arms, upper and lower. Beautiful car. This car runs and drives very, very nice. It's a beautiful red paint on the car. White stripes on this one. There's under the hood. Aluminum intake, Edelbrock carburetor, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning. Beautiful little car. Cowl induction hood. I don't think it gets much better. I mean, honestly, it checks all the boxes. 4-speed, steering, brakes, air, Dakota digital dash, tilt steering column,